Hello. Today we will learn vocabularies about Unit 11, My home, ngôi nhà của mình. 1. Road. Be careful when you cross a main road. 2. Noisy. It is noisy outside. 3. Street. I live in Tràng Hưng Đạo Street. 4. Big. They have a big house in the countryside. 5. Busy. Mom is busy in the kitchen, or the street is so busy now. 6. Quiet. It's so strange that the children are very quiet. 7. Parents. Her parents brought her to the zoo last week. 8. Live. Where do you live?